Join me as I dive into the world of ETFs and challenge myself to find the best ones for newbies to jumpstart their investing journey. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, have revolutionized the investment landscape, offering a convenient and accessible way for new investors to diversify their portfolios. Their popularity is undeniable, and for good reason. They're versatile, cost-effective, and easy to trade. When it comes to starting your ETF journey, it's natural to feel overwhelmed. With thousands of options available, it's difficult to separate the wheat from the chaff. You might find yourself scrolling through page after page of data, unsure of what to look for or which ETFs will help you achieve your investment goals. One of the biggest hurdles new investors face is information overload. There's just so much to learn, and it's hard to know where to start. You might find yourself wondering, what's the difference between a growth ETF and an income ETF? Or how do I choose between a US-based ETF and an international one? Another challenge is selecting the right ETF for your specific needs. With so many options available, it's easy to get caught up in the features and benefits of each one, rather than focusing on your overall investment strategy. Despite these challenges, ETFs remain an excellent way for new investors to get started. By doing your research and selecting the right ETFs for your goals, you can set yourself up for long-term success. When it comes to choosing the best ETFs for beginners, there are a few key factors to consider. First, look for ETFs with low fees and expenses. Your hard-earned money should be working for you, not lining the pockets of fund managers. Next, consider your investment goals. Are you looking for growth, income, or a combination of both? Finally, think about your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the potential for volatility, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? One of the top ETFs for beginners is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. With an incredibly low expense ratio and a diverse portfolio of over 3,600 stocks, it's an excellent choice for those looking for broad market exposure. Another great option is the Schwab US Broad Market ETF, which tracks the Dow Jones US Broad Stock Market Index and boasts an impressively low fee structure. For those looking for a more international approach, the iShares MSCI Equi ETF is an excellent choice. With a mix of developed and emerging markets, it provides a truly global perspective and can help minimize risk through diversification. But there's one ETF that really stands out from the crowd, the ARK Innovation ETF. This ETF focuses on cutting-edge industries like genomics, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity, making it an excellent choice for those looking to invest in the future. With a strong track record of performance and a unique approach to investing, it's definitely worth considering. In conclusion, selecting the right ETFs for your investment portfolio can seem daunting, but by doing your research and considering your goals, you can set yourself up for long-term success. Thanks for tuning in. If you have a favorite ETF or a question about getting started with ETFs, be sure to leave a comment below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on investing and personal finance. And don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll dive into advanced ETF strategies for more experienced investors.